Namaste, I'm Sonam Lama. People call me a tea master, but actually I am a student of the simple leaf from the plant Camellia sinensis.
So today we're moving to Ilam, which is one of the very popular tea state in Nepal. And then after that we're going to Tanzania actually. He's card round.
You're so fine, oh lady. Let your body take control.
Hello.
You're my mind, baby. Just move a little closer. And I say, oh, it's a night we'll both remember. Oh, sweet surrender. Oh, we're moving close together. Wanna make your body mine through the night. Hot and sweet through the night. Let's get out, fast and slow. I wanna get to know you. I know a place where we can go.
Guys, now today we just arrived to Waterfall Airport from Mirza Road. And right after that we're going to Fikkal, which is closest kind of city from the tea place that we talked about. And then we'll see tea plantation and other process of tea. And then back to the ocean road. Check it out.
I say, oh, it's a night we'll both remember. Oh, sweet surrender. Oh, we're moving close together. Wanna make your body mine through the night. Ooh, ooh, yeah.
Hello, good morning, guys. Time to drink some tea. यति राम्रो मान्छे भेट्दाखेरि लगेर जानु पर्दैन मान्छे भाइ 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 हाल्छ नि भाइ
This is Mandala Speciality Tea Private Limited. It's a very small tea manufacturing factory. It is not even a factory, it's just like a studio where we make very special kind of teas from Nepal. And there are only about 12 to 15 small factories in Nepal which makes specialty teas. Why teas are called special? Because there is a lot of human touch to it. We are always present with the leaves until it is made, and we try to understand how the leaves react. To get the best out of tea, it is best to plug proper to leaf and a bud. This is a artificial way of drying the leaves. Actually taking the moisture out of the leaves. So we are blowing some warm air from that side, and we are changing the physical structure of the tea. Like these leaves, like it was a big leaf, when it came from the tea garden. But now since it's moisture has been reduced, so it turns small, and there's a lot of chemical reaction also, because this goes on for 12 hours to sometimes 24 hours. Then we shape the leaves, we roll the leaves. Now this is designed like a palm, so that before tea used to be made with hand. So it is somewhat like the rotation of your palm. There is a lot of chemical reaction also going on when you're shaping the leaves. Actually, you're trying to break the cellulose outside and trying to bring the enzymes out. After the rolling, then we put the tea into this dryer, electric dryer, which is also a baking machine, and we dry this leaf for about 1 hour 20 minutes. Before we pack these leaves, before we put it for final tasting and for final sampling and packing, we hand sort the teas like this, so that there are no impurities. Sometimes you get stems and all that come along with the leaves, so we take out that also.